We are going to do 46 times 81 using the standard algorithm. Pause the video and do an estimate first. So we round up 46 to 50, round down to 80, and if you just do 5 times 80, you get 40, which be careful because that comes with a 0 already in it. But then you still have to add 1, 2 more. All right, so your estimate should be 4,000 or something similar. Okay, if you are feeling like you want to give this a try, you're going to learn more if you pause the video and try it, which is going to make math easier every day here on out the more you learn today. So pause the video, give this a try, and then check your work. If you need help, you can stick around. We're going to do the 1 and then the 8. 1 times 6 and then 1 times 4 and put it here. Then we're going to slide down and over because the 8 is in the tens place, and we'll do the 8. So 8 times 6 and 8 times 4. So 1, 8. 1 times 6 is 6, and we want to make sure we're really lining it up. 6 times 4 is 24. There's nowhere to carry that to, so we'll just put it right here. 24. Great. Now, get rid of the 1, eject him out into space. He's done. And then we're going to do the 8. But the 8's not over here. The 8's over here in this column, and we want to honor that. So in order to do that, we need to put a 0 right here to show nothing's there, but it's a placeholder. Bumps us up in the tens place. Everything the 8 does is more valuable than the 1. 8 times 6 is 48, so we'll put the 8 down here and the 4 up here, which means now we're going to do 8 times 4 plus 4. So you multiply these and then you add him on at the end. So 8 times 4 is 32 plus 4 is 36. So 36. Pause the video, add these together, get your answer, come back and check it. Go. 6, 12, 7, 3,726. Make sure you take a picture of your work and either type in your estimate or grab a picture of your estimate.